Hi, this is Greg with MarineMax Miami, and today I'd like to present this beautiful new 2024 50 Cruisers Yachts Cantius. So we're going to start today on the back of the swim platform, and you can see our manatee friends that are here enjoying the day. It's a beautiful day here in Miami. As we start at the swim platform, it's a hydraulic swim platform, super sturdy, locks into place. I like that it has the built-in steps here, so it's very easy to get in and out of the boat. Big factor when you have the platform lowered, you don't have a 3-foot drop. You can step in comfortably with the stairs. It's also a great place just to kind of chill out on the water, drop it down 6 to 12 inches, and you can sit here. You can put a tender on the back, a jet ski, any kind of water toy you want. You also have a beautiful area here where you can grill out, enjoy the weather, have a nice day on the water. You have an electric sure shade up top that'll deploy as well and give you a lot of shade in this area. As we make our way up to the steps into the cockpit, I do want to point out you have a really cool spot right here on the side, so when you're tied up next to a boat, you still get that little extra step in order to get in and out. So just little details like that. And you'll see that this boat is the Kingston Gray, gorgeous colors, very, very nice, appealing, very forgiving, doesn't show the salt that much. You've got the sand, ultra leather, super soft to the touch, just really nice colors. And then we've got the synthetic floor, which is very nice here. This makes it easier. It's not slippery. It doesn't peel up. It's just a very nice product. So back here, cool area. You've got the stools, little bar area here, very comfortable, great for entertaining. Really connects the inside with the outside. You've got a table you can seat probably 4, 5, 6 people here at the table. Also with the sure shade, we'd have this whole area in the shade. And another cool feature back here is you have your docking station. Keep in mind this is a 50-foot boat, and it's not common to have a rear docking station. So this is a really nice advantage that the Cruisers Yachts have. And then of course this slide down window. So as you walk in here to the salon, you'll notice it's very open. I intentionally have no lights on so you can see how airy and bright the boat is. If you wanted to close it off, we can of course close the sunroof, drop the blinds. Even back here, when you sleep on the boat, you can drop these blinds, will come down. This will come down here. While we're here, let's talk about the aft galley. So this is a really nice area here. Nice bar for serving, 2 burners here, microwave, convection of course. And then you have 3 refrigeration here. So this is really nice if you're gonna be doing a lot of overnighting and stuff like that. I do big trips to the Exumas. Last year I took a boat, same model, for 2 weeks in the Exumas, and we had 11 people comfortably sitting here while underway. So that's really nice. You're out of the elements, great air conditioning. When we get to the destination, we can drop the blinds however we want for the privacy. But for an owner-operator to have an aft galley like this, the center of attention, you can serve over here, here. Just very easy access. You don't have to walk in wet and try to get to the galley. You're right here. So that's a very nice feature here. This table is remarkable, this whole area here. So this will open up and extend it on both sides. So you can seat a lot of people comfortably. Also from an owner-operator standpoint, I like to drive and be still engaged with everybody. So this is nice. Everyone's around you. You're not isolated. So you can have opposed seating during your run. Tons of room here. I'm a big guy. I'm 6'1". Lots of space here. You have your own window that can open up, so when you're underway you can hear the water. I always like that. All state-of-the-art electronics here. You have the Garmin, huge 2 Garmin screens. You've got the Seakeeper here. You can charge your phone on the pad here, and then of course this is joystick docking to make the boat very easy to maneuver. Especially these are Volvo IPS, so a very nimble boat, rides like a performance boat. Just a great setup. Let's go downstairs. So here we are. We just came downstairs. We have a very open atrium here, so you have a lot of light, which is nice. You don't feel like you're coming down into a cave. We'll start here in the forward VIP stateroom because this is quite comfortable. Some could feel that this could even be a master. So you have steps here on both sides, very easy to get in and out of the bed, very comfortable. You have the iPad chargers on both sides, very high ceilings, so you do not feel claustrophobic. Big storage area here. And of course you have your private door, with bathroom access. So we can access the head through here on inside. So if this door is closed, the guests can come use the restroom this way, or if it's closed, whoever's in the room I'm standing in can use it, access there. So we'll open this here, and you've got a nice bathroom area here with a very nice shower, which is a dry head, which is very nice, very comfortable space there. And as we make our way to the master, you have a nice private long entry here with the door for privacy. And when you come in, I mean, this is a big area. So you've got a comfortable area here. Somebody can relax, beautiful window view. This actually opens on both sides, so you can get some nice cross breeze coming through. Just a nice area to sit down, relax. You can lay down, you can charge your phone here or here. You have a very large bed. There's storage everywhere. Just nice details throughout the master. Very, very comfortable for a 50-foot boat. This is a lot of space and it's a lot of storage. You'll also notice that you have a washer dryer here combo. So this is great when you do those longer trips. You can take care of some laundry. And then of course you have the TV with the surround sound. Another thing I like is you've got a pretty significant amount of storage in here in this closet here. So for the ladies, if you'd like to hang some dresses, you certainly have the space to do so. Or if you wanted to take suitcases, which I don't really like on a boat, but in this particular case, they'll fit in here quite well. And then here is the master bathroom, the head. So you can take a peek here. Also, it's dry, it's private, it's separate, so everything's not getting wet when you shower. And then we'll look at our third stateroom boat. Third stateroom here on this boat is very comfortable here. So this is great for maybe kids, additional luggage. You know, you have over 6 feet, so you know you can take big kids on the boat as well. You've got some nice storage in here, TV, just a really nice setup. And then you also have your main distribution panel over here. So very easy access from up top. You just come down the stairs, grab it, very easy to read. So here we are on the bow, and this has a lot of cool configurations. I kind of put them all out at the same time so you have an idea. So you can lounge on this side. You've got seating, comfortable seating here with a little table, and then you even have a little incline lounge area here. So you have various different options that you can configure. The other cool thing is this entire area is completely in shade. You have 4 easy to get to poles, which are stowed right under here. You don't have to go to the back of the boat. You can grab them right here. They pop in, one goes right here where I'm standing. So lots of shade, takes 3 minutes to set it up, and it's great when you're at anchor and the bow's pointed right into the wind. You just have a nice breeze and you're in the shade. So if you want to hear more about this boat, feel free to give me a call. I'm Gregg Kopp with MarineMax Miami. My cell is 786-390-5292. Thanks for watching.